Okay, right here I have the 3-pack of these flannel hoodies that are absolutely amazing and a must-have in your wardrobe. What's going on, guys? My name is TJ and I ended up getting the size medium in this. I'm 5'11", 150 pounds. I think this fits perfectly all the way throughout. This is gonna be a nice plaid material. This is made of 70% polyester and a 30% rayon, so it's gonna be really lightweight and breathable. These are not very, very thick. They're gonna be a little bit more on a thinner side, so they're gonna be perfect for layering during the winter season. If you wanna throw one of these underneath a jacket and have like a blazer jacket with the hood sticking out, I think that would look absolutely amazing. So I ended up getting like the blue, the tan, and like another tan color. I think the 3-pack is amazing, and it's nice you just have a nice selection to choose from. So this is gonna be the other one that has a little bit of blue in it, and I think that this one looks really cool. I love the style in here, and it just looks and feels absolutely amazing. We got 2 drawstrings in the front, and these are gonna have a little bit of a metal tip on the end, so that looks pretty cool. These are gonna have a gray accent on the hood, and the hood material is actually gonna be like a really soft, almost like a cotton material, I would say. It feels really nice. It's got a big hood too, so you can throw that on and it'll cover your whole face and your ears, keeping you nice and warm. We're gonna have black button accents, and it's also gonna have a double adjustment on the cuff, so if you do wanna bring that in and make it a little tighter, you can. And we're gonna have one more on the forearm. Also gonna get 2 functional button pockets in the front, so it's gonna be really nice if you're using this for work. I really like how you can just roll the sleeves up on here and kind of just air out, give a nice little style piece. It's really functional. It feels good on the arms. The fabric is really soft all the way throughout. It looks amazing, and I love how you could just have the selection of a 3-pack and you can just have something to match different days of the week. It's really nice. This would make an absolute perfect gift for Christmas, birthday, or hey, I'm just thinking about you. Also, this could just be a nice accessory just to have in your wardrobe, just to layer up on a jacket. You could also wear these on a hotter day as well because it isn't super thick. It feels really nice. It has a taper going all the way throughout, so it's gonna give you nice mobility as well. Overall, this is a great flannel 3-pack, and check out all the other color options that they have to offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.